This is exactly how to connect your DJI mic to your iPhone right here, as you can see. So the first thing we need to do on our DJI mic is to just turn it on by clicking on the power button right here. So click and hold until you will get a blinking blue light. Now we need to put it into pairing mode, and you put it into pairing mode by clicking on this button here. Just click and hold until it's going to start blinking really fast like this. Now it's in pairing mode. Click on settings now on your phone here, as you can see, and then go down and click on Bluetooth. And then you're going to check for other devices. So sometimes it's not going to appear right away. If it doesn't, as it does not for me here, just close Bluetooth and reopen Bluetooth settings here again. And you can see the DJI mic is now here. Oops, sorry. So DJI mic is now here. I'm just going to click on it. And now it's connected. And it's gonna then, when it's connected, it's gonna be shining consistently blue here, as you can see. And basically, that is exactly how to connect it to your iPhone here, as you can see.